come down from the Tajik Pass, and it's a little bit daunting what's ahead of us. Those are massive mountains, but they're covered in snow. We were warned the climate changes pretty abruptly coming into Kyrgyzstan. We're now about 5 kilometers away from the Tajik border, having cycled about 1,500 kilometers in Tajikistan, so quite a bit of closure there on Christmas Day. But it's going to get very wet and unfriendly. Looks like there's a blizzard ahead of us, basically. So the wind has picked up, and this could get quite epic. We've got 20 kilometers to go between the Tajik and Kyrgyz border posts, and we're going to aim to spend the night at the Kyrgyz border post. We'll see how far we get.